Hi class, here's our Saxon lesson for lesson 4. This lesson is for September 8th, Tuesday, okay? All right, so we are starting on Saxon lesson 4. Last week we talked about vowels and consonants, the two kinds of letters in our alphabet. The vowels are vowel, A-E-I-O-U. I'm going to say a word and clap as I say it. Listen to the word and the claps and see if you can tell me how many claps or parts you hear. Let's say this word. 3. How many parts did you hear? Each of those parts is a syllable. We only heard it one, right? Say 3. Only once. Very good. Each of those parts is a syllable. A syllable is a word part that contains its own vowel sound. So, if a word has 3 parts, how many syllables are there? 3. Let's try the word raccoon. Clap and say raccoon with me. Raccoon. How many parts are there in the word raccoon? 2. Very good. So, try the word elephant with me. Let's clap elephant. Elephant. How many parts are in the word elephant? 3. Very good. There are 3. Let's try this word. Mouse. How many syllables are in the word mouse? 1. Very good. All right, let's go over our letter cards, picture cards, and sight word cards. Letter cards. All right, are you ready? These are the vowels and consonants. Say them with me. A, E, I, O, U, B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, R, S, T, V, W, Y, Z. Very good. Those are our letter cards. Next come our picture cards. Apple, A. Repeat after me. You have to say apple, A. Acorn, A. Elephant, E. Equal, E. Inch, I. Icicle, I. Octopus, O. Overalls, O. Umbrella, Unicorn, U. Balloon, B. Cat, K. Dog, D. Fish, F. Goat, G. Hat, H. Jar, J. Kite, K. Lion, L. Monkey, M. Nest, N. Pig, P. Rabbit, R. Sun, S. Tent, T. Vest, V. Wagon, W. Yarn, Y. Zebra, Z. Very good. Those are our picture cards. And now we are going to do our sight word cards. Okay, so read them with me, okay? Or actually, I'm just going to show them and you have to read them, okay? So I'm just going to show you. All right. I do go through those very fast because these are sight word cards. These are words that you should know just by looking at it like that. You're not sounding out the words. You shouldn't be sounding out the words. You should know them like that. That's why I do them fast. And normally if we're in a normal classroom and you guys are in front of me, I don't say the words. You have to say them. You have to read them to me. That's why I silently showed you the cards. Although that was really awkward for me because I am having no response. But I'm sure you guys are responding at home. We'll get through this. It's okay. All right. Let's take out our spelling and high frequency word practice 4, which is this. I gave it to you guys, so make sure you take that out right now. All right, we're going to go ahead and fill this out. So today we will be doing something new. We will spell some sight words that we have been practicing this week. Sight words do not follow our rules, so we must memorize them. That's why these sight word cards, they don't always follow the rules that I'll teach you. So you just have to memorize them. That's why I'm not giving you the chance to sound them out, okay? Let's see. Put a finger on... Oh, hold on. Oh, sorry, that's the back. Let's go ahead and do the spelling cards. Okay, so I'm sorry. Take this paper out. I skipped a step. And I'm going to go ahead and read to you the sounds you're going to write on each line. Where's my pen? Okay, on line number 1, you're going to write B, balloon. B. What letter is that? B. Good job. D. D. F. G. Goat. G. Hat. J. Jar. K. Kite. You're actually going to write for k, kite, K, comma, C, and then put a back on the C, just like this. Miss Yusuf, why do we write a K, comma, C? Because k can make that sound makes 2 letters. It can make the letter K and it can make the letter C. K has 2 letters that make that sound. So we put a back on the C anytime that C makes the K sound, the K sound. So if the C makes the K sound, we code it by putting a back on it. That's why my C looks like that. Okay? Number 8. Monkey. Nest. Pig. Rabbit. That should be line number 11. Sun. Tent. Vest. Wagon. Yarn. Zebra. Okay. That's how your paper should look so far. If you need to pause the video right here so you can make sure you have it all, go ahead and pause it. All right. Let's see. Spelling cards. Number 1 through 28. That is 1. Oh. That's why. I'm sorry. I am making sure I have everything I need. That's why. There we go. I was missing some cards. That's silly. All right. All right, let's continue for line 18, okay? We have apple. That's a A. Make sure you write either a macron or a breve on it, okay? If it's a low vowel sound, you put a breve. If it's a long vowel sound, you put a macron, Okay? So, apple. That's a breathe. Elephant. Breathe. Inch. Breathe. Octopus. Breathe. Umbrella. Breathe. Yeah, I'll show you what I'm doing so you're not like, oh my goodness, what are you talking about? So the short vowel sounds have a breathe on it. Apple, elephant, inch. At the top over here we have octopus, umbrella. Now we're going to do the long vowel sounds. Acorn. You're going to write an A and you're going to write what on top of it? Macron. Okay? Equal. I'm sorry, equal. Icicle. Overalls. Unicorn. So the last few should look, should look like this. Acorn. Elephant. Icicles. Overalls. Unicorn. Yeah, unicorn. Okay. Okay. All right. Now let's flip your papers over to the back. We are going to spell some sight words that we have been practicing this week. Sight words do not follow rules, so we just have to memorize how to write it. All right, so our sight words is, you're going to write them here. Where it says sight words, okay? So the first one is the. The. How do you spell the, class? T-H-E. Good job. You should have it written on the first line. T-H-E. The second word is was. Was. How do you spell was, class? W-A-S. Was. Number 3, write the word you. You. How do you spell that? Y-O-U. Very good. All right. Let's see. All right, just leave that blank where it says new words. Leave that blank. We're going to fill that part out later. Okay, now let's go ahead and start our lesson. Yesterday, we talked about most of the consonants. Let's echo these words. When I say echo, that means you're going to repeat after me. So, the reason I say echo is like if you're in a mountain or if you're in a cave or you're somewhere where there's, where it will echo, then you say hello and it says hello, 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 hello. It echoes, okay? So I need you to echo these words for me. Let's see if we can discover the consonants in these words. We have fox, box, 6, wax. What sounds do we hear in the final position? Final position means in the end. What's the end sound? The final position sound. Good job. We hear x, x. That's right. The letters that make the x sound is the letter X. The letter X is different from most letters because it actually makes 2 sounds. X makes the k and the s sound. Okay. I'm going to, this program that I'm using to record my videos doesn't let me record more than 15 minutes. So I'm going to have to stop this video and go ahead and click on the next link, okay?